important ingredient to your success is your own mindset. Is your mindset in need of a tune-up? Para maging magaling kang driver, kailangan pala yung experience. Kailangan mo pala siya gawin ng gawin. Tulad sa real estate, kailangan mo pala humarap sa tao, sumagot ng inquiry, mag-book ng tripping, tama ba? At mag-close ng sale. Tapos after sales documentation, gagaling ka rin. Driver plus vehicle equals success. It's your own mindset and you are the driver. Sino yung vehicle? Ano yung vehicle? Yes, land. Money is so valuable that it can bless your loved ones. It can bless more people. Amen? You need money. Money that will serve His kingdom, God's kingdom. Money that will help a lot of people. Tumatak yan sa akin. So sabi ko, one of my goals is time freedom and financial freedom.
Tune-up June, precision, strategy, and innovation for the fast lane of success.